गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, गजरी ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान।
Welcome, Supermoms, to Mom's Talk. I am Avni, and our today's Supermom guest is joining us from India. She is a classical singer and an entrepreneur. Welcoming Manini Gurjar. Lovely to have you,
हेलो,
Manini.
थैंक यू। हेलो अवनी।
Manini, आपने 12 years तक as a professor काम किया है. You have worked as a
हाँ,
professor in SNDT University in Pune
या
for 12
या
years, and you're
यस।
now an entrepreneur. How was the journey like? How did that happen from being a professor to being an entrepreneur?
Yeah, actually, when I studied and I did my MSc, that time I had decided in my mind that I'll become a lecturer and teach in the college. So similarly, I like exactly after I finished my MSc, I got the job in the college and I started teaching. And I wanted to teach. I was fond of teaching. But when years passed one after the other, it became a little monotonous because for a creative person, it's kind of boring, after a few years. In the beginning, it's very nice that you get many subjects to teach. In
Mm-hmm.
our textiles, there were lot many subjects like weaving, dyeing and printing, fashion designing, embroidery, and so many other subjects in home science. So it was very nice and fun and creative at all times. But then after many years, correcting papers, 100, 200 papers every 2 months you have to correct them. I take conduct the tests, correct the papers, and that was
Mm-hmm.
the most boring part, I should say. But it had to be done all the time. Like
Mm-hmm.
after terminals, then you had to go for central assessment and all those things. Anyway, so finally I was, wanting to do something more, something creative, and this came up. And my husband, I should mention here that he was he was backing me a lot, and he was telling me that you can start up your own business rather than doing a job. So I took a step forward and started with my business. वैसे सब लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि अभी जो नेट एंड सेट यू रिक्वायर फॉर बीइंग अ प्रोफेसर, आई हैड क्लियर्ड बोथ द एग्जाम्स, बट
Mm-hmm.
स्टिल आई लेफ्ट माय जॉब बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट इट as early as possible, I should say.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And did you ever, as a child, did you ever envision yourself being an entrepreneur? Were you, because it needs a different kind of a mindset to be an
Yeah,
entrepreneur.
actually not, because I was raised in a family where my father was working in ACC company. He was an engineer and he was working as a finally he retired as a general manager from one of the ACC factories. And we did not have anybody, having businesses. So I was raised in that way. So that's why my focus was to become a lecturer and do a job. But my
Mm-hmm.
husband, on the contrary, he did not work for a single day after he did his studies and everything. He did his PhD in biomedical instrumentation and all, but then he
Mm-hmm.
did not work for any company or nowhere. He from the day one he started his own business, and he
Mm-hmm.
had his own goals and things like that. So I was looking at him, and there was a lot of support from home also, and I found a way there where I could be since I was a creative person, I could see that बहुत अच्छे से मैं कुछ अलग से कर सकती हूँ rather than
Mm-hmm.
just going into stereotype of teaching and things.
You said you
So
were
I
a very creative person, Manani, and that is something वो बोलते हैं ना एक seed था आपके अंदर which kind
हाँ,
of grew into this entrepreneur that you are today. ये जो mindset है being an entrepreneur and working for someone or doing a job, there is a lot of difference between the two. You know, when you're working as an entrepreneur, you are taking care, you're wearing different hats, and when it comes to making decisions, whether it's right or wrong, you have to own it and you have to face it. And
Yeah.
it just gets, it's a very daunting fact to deal with at times. How
Hmm.
did you deal with that phase where you were, you stepped into the shoe of an entrepreneur, and all these things, the ups and downs? How did you manage all those, that phase of your life?
या एक्चुअली जैसे मैंने बोला कि आपको परमानेंट लेक्चररशिप थी, तो छोड़ते वक्त काफी मेरे को सोचना पड़ा, या फिर काफी बार मैंने ऐसे पॉइंट्स लिख के निकाले कि मैं छोड़ूंगी तो क्या होगा, नहीं छोड़ूंगी तो क्या होगा, लाइक दैट
Mhm.
आई टू कंपेयर थिंग्स कि what if I should not repent if I left my job, because it was a
Mhm.
well paid, plus it was, a lecturership is something like you get holidays along with your children also. Like you
True.
have long holidays in May, then Diwali holidays are there, then
Mhm.
Christmas, so you have holidays along with them. So ऐसा नहीं था कि जॉब छोड़ने जैसी थी, लेकिन फिर भी I left my job in around 2000, and my second child, my daughter, was born in 97.
Mhm.
And then at that time I had taken a leave for 1.5 year or something, extended. उसके बाद थोड़े दिन मैंने ज्वाइन किया, फिर मैंने सोचा कि इसका यानी जो चाइल्डहुड है, आई शुड एंजॉय दैट। तो थोड़ा
Mhm.
फैमिली की तरफ भी ध्यान देना जरूरी था, मैंने सोचा, और जरूरी था, और आई वुड एंजॉय दैट मोर, इफ आई
Mhm.
लिव दैट एट दिस दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम। तो ऐसे सोच के मैंने जॉब छोड़ी। और जब एक बार डिसाइड कर लिया, देन यू फेस वॉट एवर कम्स, राइट। सो जब
Mhm.
शुरू किया कुछ नया, तो उसमें जैसे कि स्वीपर भी तुम ही रहते हो, जब तुम्हारा खुद का बिजनेस है, तो यू आर द स्वीपर ऑल्सो, यू हैव टू सेल योर प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो, यू हैव टू मेक इट ऑल्सो, क्रिएट इट ऑल्सो, एवरीथिंग इज विथ यू, लाइक यू डोंट हैव
Mhm.
एनीबडी एल्स टू हेल्प यू। तो जब तुम्हारा ही खुद का बच्चा रहता है, तो तुम ध्यान भी दे सकते हो, ध्यान देते भी हो, और वो अच्छा बड़ा होना चाहिए, इसीलिए तुम अच्छी तरह से उसको संभालते भी हो। तो ऐसे
Mhm.
अपने आप ही हो जाता है जब इट्स योर ओन चाइल्ड, योर
Mhm.
बिजनेस, ऐसा है। सो आई कुड फेस वॉट एवर केम। इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ कोर्स देर इज अ स्ट्रगल फॉर 1 or 2 years. I would say that we have to have a mindset that might there is no profit for you for 1 or 2 years. Like you have to
Mhm.
just sustain whatever is going on. पेशेंस रख के काम करते रहो, तो आफ्टर सम टाइम यू डेफिनेटली फ्रूट्स आते हैं,
That's
ऐसा
true.
मैं सोचती हूँ।
एंड
और
माननी,
घर में से
आपका
सपोर्ट था काफी।
कंपनी, आपकी जो कंपनी है वो, इट इज, you have employed all women. It's a women
या
based, women owned company. How did that thought unwind in your mind that I'm only going to employ women?
शुरुआत में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था दिमाग में, लेकिन आई कुड सी दैट वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट इज नेसेसरी, and my products, if they are catering the interests of women now, so I could employ all women, to get the things done, and it was possible. कोई बिजनेस ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं कि जिसमें पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, लेकिन स्टिचिंग का जो ये है, क्रिएटिविटी है, स्टिचिंग है, सो इसमें तो इट्स पॉसिबल टू एम्प्लॉय ऑल वुमेन। सो
Mm-hmm.
आई कुड डू दैट, एंड मे बी द बैकग्राउंड, मैंने एसएनडीटी यूनिवर्सिटी में से ही ये किया है, मेरा ग्रेजुएशन, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, एवरीथिंग। सो
Mm-hmm.
इट्स एम्पावरमेंट, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट दैट आई वाज फोकस्ड ऑन, आई शुड से।
True,
तो अच्छा
true.
लगता है कि अच्छा लगता है, अभी जितनी भी महिलाएं या लेडीज काम करती है मेरे साथ, तो सबके घर उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, सब अच्छे से दे फाइंड देयर ओन आइडेंटिटी, उनको आइडेंटिटी मिलती है कि मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ,
Mm-hmm.
एंड घर के लिए भी कर रही हूँ, बच्चों के लिए कर रही हूँ, तो उससे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एंड दे आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग, दे कम आउट विद देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम्स, दे शेयर देम विथ मी, आई गिव देम सॉल्यूशंस, एंड वी हैव अ वेरी नाइस बॉन्डिंग विथ ईच अदर।
Mm-hmm.
तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि इतने सारी महिलाओं को मैं काम दे सकती हूँ।
Absolutely. Does it get chatty in there? I mean, how's the environment? All women talking to each other.
नो
How is
नो,
the environment like?
इट्स वेरी नाइस, इनफैक्ट इट्स वेरी कोजी एंड दे फील फ्री। काफी बार तो ऐसा ध्यान में आया कि सम पीपल, आई मीन सम लेडीज आर एम्प्लॉयड, तो उनके घर वाले आके देखते थे कि कैसा एनवायरनमेंट है यहाँ पे। आई मीन इनफैक्ट दे वर वेरी हैप्पी कि सब महिलाएं काम कर रही हैं, सब लेडीज हैं, सो नो इश्यूज, वी कैन सेंड द आवर पर्सन ओवर देयर, ऐसा। तो
Mm-hmm.
कोई कोई के हस्बैंड्स भी आके देखते थे कि इधर क्या क्या चलता है, इज इट सेफ फॉर देम टू कम हियर एंड वर्क,
Mm-hmm.
ऐसे।
Mm-hmm.
सो इट्स वेरी नाइस, आई मीन ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो मेरे को आज तक नहीं लगा कि कुछ इसमें यानी we can't work together or something of that sort. बहुत बार I thank Dhondo Keshav Karve who started education for women
Mhm.
in Hingne Stree Shikshan Sanstha, which is there in Pune. And my mother, in fact, could get herself educated because of that institute, because
Mhm.
of that Stree Shikshan Sanstha. So she's so proud of that. This and SNDT is born from that only.
Mhm.
So women's education, we are so lucky at this time that we could educate ourselves, we could be independent, we could be on our own, and we have some self-respect because of that. So all those things are
True.
only possible because this Stree Shikshan came into picture. So I'm very thankful to the people, who have taken so much efforts.
And absolutely, और आपने तो एक step और आगे बढ़ाया है when you're employing just women. And you
Mhm.
rightly said, that environment becomes so cozy and so comfortable
Yeah,
for women to openly share their thoughts, their creative ideas. And
yeah,
that in turns even helps your company because, अगर आपके employees इतने खुश हैं, इतने comfortable
हाँ,
हैं आने के लिए, तो बहुत smoothly पूरा process चलता है and it only goes
बराबर
in a positive direction. So
बराबर है.
that's great what you did. Yeah.
I have my focus also like that, that everyone who's working with me, people who are, doing the cutting and stitching, I mean, all the process, plus the ladies who are stitching for me. तो सब happy होने चाहिए. There should be a positivity in the whole process so that the product which comes out also is a very good quality product.
Mhm.
And some kind of positivity is always there. It sells also very nicely. ऐसा
True.
कोई नाराज नहीं होना चाहिए कि चलो ये करना ही पड़ रहा है इसलिए काम कर रहे हैं. इस तरह का नहीं रखती हूँ मैं environment भी. So that there is always a positivity in the whole process, and even we enjoy. I mean, I myself I enjoy the whole process which is going on.
That's true. And that reflects in the product that you make. So it's
Yeah,
made
very
from a
true.
lot of love and creative ideas. Manani, as a professor, आपने काम किया, and then you got into running your own business, employing all the women. बहुत सारा exposure आपके पास में है to interacting with women. What would be your learnings if you could share a little bit about what you have learned from interacting with so many women?
Um, so many things there are to learn, from each individual. कि जब इंटरेक्ट करते हो तो कुछ ना कुछ तो जरूर सीखते हो हमेशा हर व्यक्ति से. So for me, maybe the life has been very easy for people like us, कि कुछ तकलीफ नहीं थी कि जो चाहिए जो पढ़ लिया, जो चाहिए जो एमएससी कर लिया. It's so difficult for other people, for lower economic classes, that they have to go through a lot of things to get themselves to this level. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो बदलने की जरूरत है, ऐसा लगता है आजकल भी, आज भी, यानी इस सिचुएशन में भी. तो जितना पेशेंस वो लेडीज लोग दिखाया दिखाया है आज तक उन्होंने, जितना जितनी तकलीफें उठाई हैं, सो मच ऑफ विथ सो मच लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल दे हैव कम अप टू दिस लेवल. तो उससे बहुत चीजें सीखनी पड़ती हैं. सीखना सीखना ये मिलता है कि जो कुछ भी है उसमें बहुत खुश रह सकते हो आप. And you should
Mhm.
not complain about life. There are so many people who don't get anything.
Mhm.
हमारे पास सब कुछ होता है फिर भी हम लोग बोलते हैं जैसे सुख दुखता है.
Mhm.
इन मराठी भी से काय होता है सुख दुखता का. So you can be happy, and you have to be happy in whatever you have, isn't
Mhm.
it? So that is one thing to learn from them.
Mhm. Absolutely. Manani, you are a mother. What would be your message for all our mothers?
All mothers, yes, they should believe in themselves. Family is a priority when children are small, definitely. You have to take that as priority, and raise your children in a very good manner, in the manner that you want them to raise. And you should devote that much of time also in that particular stage. But that's not the end of it, right? So you should believe in yourself. If you have some passion, you can come up with it even after a few years, after your children are a little older, they go to school and things like that. Or if you have a family support right from the beginning, there's no end to it. Like you can start anytime. तो मॉम्स को तो यही बोलूंगी कि बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, बिलीव इन योर पैशन, वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट, हैव अ गुड प्लान फॉर योर सेल्फ, and then nothing is impossible. If you believe in your own abilities, nothing is impossible, definitely.
Beautifully said, Manani. Classical singing का chapter आपकी life में कैसे खुला? You've been doing that. You've been singing for over 25 years now. How
या
did that happen now?
जैसे बचपन से ही गाना आता था, गा सकती थी अच्छा। तो फिर स्कूल में जब गई तब पढ़ना शुरू किया, क्लासिकल सिंगिंग आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग।
Mhm.
Then actually, but in college days, I did not do much, like sort of ignored it. कि आता है,
Mhm.
चलो इससे क्या क्लासिकल क्या सीखना है ऐसे। But then after I got married, in fact, I started learning this very. I started learning with Anuradha Marathe, and I did my Visharad till from her. I've been learning from her. Then I learned from Dr. Shobha Abhyankar for many years and for classical. And I did my MA in 2010. That is quite late, you know.
Mhm.
But then I wanted to pursue that, so I did it sort of external. Like I did not go to the college, but I gave all the exams and everything, and did my MA, and I stood first also in MA also.
That's
And this,
lovely.
yeah, and programs and all we had started doing long back. लाइट म्यूजिक के प्रोग्राम्स तो काफी सालों से करते रहे थे हम। ग्रुप में अकेले के भी प्रोग्राम्स काफी किए हैं मैंने, सेमी क्लासिकल, क्लासिकल एंड
Mhm.
लाइट म्यूजिक, भावगीत एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। और अभी मैंने जैसे ये दिस 2016 आई थिंक, काफी फ्रेंड्स होते थे ये वाले फील्ड में भी ना काफी, क्योंकि
Mhm.
तुम प्रोग्राम परफॉर्म करते हो तभी देयर इज समवन टू एंकर द शो, देयर इज समवन विद सिंगिंग
Mhm.
विथ यू, एंड यू नो सो सो मेनी ये इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजाने वाले भी। तो सब
Mhm.
काफी सहेलियां थी, तो हमने ऐसे दिमाग में आया कि कुछ नया करते हैं, क्योंकि ये भी करते करते काफी बोरियत हो जाती है फॉर अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन। आई थिंक यू गेट बोर्ड, यू नो, आफ्टर डूइंग द सेम थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन। तो कुछ नया
Mhm.
करते हैं सोच के हमने एक ग्रुप फॉर्म किया। मेरी सब सहेलियां हैं, सब पहचान की हैं। सो 10 of us,
Women
all
again.
10 women again,
Amazing.
all 10 women again, and we have formed a group. We call ourselves Sura Sakhi, and we perform shows. प्रोग्राम करते हैं हम जिसमें ओल्ड हिंदी फीमेल डुएट्स आर परफॉर्म्ड।
Mhm.
ओल्ड हिंदी फीमेल डुएट्स ऑफ द गोल्डन एरा ऑफ हिंदी सिनेमा, जैसे अपलम चपलम, गोरे गोरे ओ बाके छोरे, काहे तरसाए
Mhm.
जियरा, ऑल these songs which are sung by two। तो ये
Mhm.
वाला प्रोग्राम हम लोग 2 घंटे का करीब होता है, पौने 2 से 2 घंटे का। एंड वी परफॉर्म दैट, 3 of us sing, and others 6 of them play instruments। वायलिन है, तबला है, ढोलक है, दिस थिंग सिंथेसाइजर है,
Mhm.
हारमोनियम है, साइड रिदम है, एंड वन पर्सन एंकर्स। तो ऐसे करके हमने ये शोज शुरू किए हैं, विच हैव बिकम वेरी हिट। बहुत
Mhm.
पसंद करते हैं लोग सुनना। एंड वी हैव, आई थिंक वी हैव फिनिश्ड 48 shows, 48 programs हमने किए।
Oh, wow.
And one of them, I think 35th or something, was in Bahrain. We were called to
Mhm.
Bahrain, Ladies Association in Bahrain. They saw our videos and then they wanted us to perform there. And
Mhm.
all of us, 10 of us, went to Bahrain and performed this program there. And the show
That's
is still going
incredible.
on. And that also from the day one, like from 2016 till what date is it? 2000, 2024 हो गया अभी।
24.
तो सब 10 जन वही है, हाँ? We did not fight with each other.
See,
So
there's
people say कि
something in you,
सारी
Manani, which just keeps all those women together without any
probably I
fights.
don't know. Yeah, तो लोग यही कहते हैं कि तुम लोग 10 लोग अभी तो इतने साल कैसे साथ में रह सकते हो? I said nothing, क्योंकि
Well,
शुरुआत की तभी
when
हमने
creative
किया।
minds come together, magic
Yeah,
happens.
yeah, that's what, that's what. So everybody wants to be there, so everybody is there. That's why it's a passion
That's
for everyone.
beautiful. तो आपकी ये पैशन जो है माननी, और इतने सालों से आप इतना ब्यूटीफुली सिंग करती हैं, तो हम आपको बिगर कुछ सुने तो नहीं जाने देने वाले. इफ यू कुड प्लीज सिंग few lines for us.
Oh, oh, I did not prepare for this. गजरा मोहब्बत वाला, अखियों में ऐसा डाला। गजरा मोहब्बत वाला, अखियों में ऐसा डाला। गजरी ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान।
ब्यूटिफुल। ब्यूटिफुल।
That's
इतनी
just two
मिठास है
lines.
आपके गाने में, आपकी आवाज में है। थैंक यू फॉर
Thank
सिंगिंग
you.
दोस फ्यू लाइन्स फॉर अस। थैंक यू so
Thank
much
you.
for giving me your
Yeah.
time, Manani. It was wonderful having this conversation with you. And full on women empowerment है। इतना
Yes,
सपोर्ट कर रही
definitely.
हैं आप इतनी women को। um, thank you so much for doing that, Manani.
Thank you. It was a pleasure having coming on the show. Thank you so much. Thank you, Avni.